Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add shadow to your photo on the Bazaart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select a picture and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the shadow button. Here you can find this slide that you can use to adjust the shadow. You can also select its distance from the picture, the angle too, the blurriness, and the color of it as well. As you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have a vast variety of colors that you can choose from. So if you tap on the color, you can also select the color saturation and brightness too. If you are done with all these steps, click on the checkmark icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.